Hyperion wireless tire pressure monitoring system ensures that you are traveling with tires that are properly inflated. Safety alerts are delivered right to your smartphone, which provides peace of mind when you're out on the road. Easy to install on each tire valve and available in a 4 to 6 wheel system. Each tire pressure monitoring system will monitor fast-slow air leaks, high-low pressure, and high temperature. Designed for easy installation and monitoring. Remove each existing tire valve and disc cap and place a valve on the corresponding tire valves that are labeled per tire. Complete this prior to installing the OBD2 receiver in the OBD port of your vehicle. The included tire sensors will transmit data to the OBD2 receiver. When the tire pressure or tire temperatures exceed safe driving conditions, a live voice will alert you. For alerts directly on your phone, download the Deltran Connected app for iOS and Android and connect to your smartphone via built-in Bluetooth. The Deltran Connected app will showcase real-time tire pressure and temperature of each tire. The Hyperion wireless tire pressure monitoring system can be used on most cars, trucks, and SUV model tires. Hyperion Smart Drive is designed around safety, technology, and creativity. We impact the connected car experience worldwide by leveraging technology to build app-enabled devices to make your life easier and keep you safer.